God is not beyond Christ, but in Him. Therefore, let us not try to satisfy our hunger for the divine away from Christ. And if we do this, the hunger will only drive us out of truth and shelter of love, setting us on haunted journey, on a never-ending path in quest of something that is missing. And so, God does not require intellectuals or people of high caliber. You see, the people He chose, 12 of them, except for Matthew, the tax collector, and Simon, the troublemaker, all the others were simple fishermen. People who could face the storms of the sea. So He chose ordinary people to make major decisions of whom to forgive, whom not to forgive. And God needs each one of us in our daily lives to carry on this good work of giving the good news and blessings of compassion and forgiveness.